Hello po. For Brandon and Boy, just talk about the daunting task of guarding Junmar Fajardo this season.
Yeah, it's always a challenge. They have a lot of great players over there, but with June, you just have to make them work. You have to try and just get him off his spots. But it's not just one player, not just me and Boy. It's going to take the whole team. We talk about team defense a lot, and that's something that we rely on. So it's going to take a total effort, and we'll just try our best.
Good afternoon. Peter Attention, Manila Standard. To the coaches. This is to be the third time that San Miguel and TNT will meet since 2010. What are your thoughts on this rivalry?
I'm sorry, Peter. I was not the coach of San Miguel in 2010, and I praised them after 2016, 17. But Coach Jot is not the coach of that team yet, and I praised him last 2022. I think this is the first time we met in the finals. But knowing Coach Jot, he's really a competitor, and he's been in the PBA for quite some time. And I'm coaching the PBA for the last 10 years. But sometimes, pinag-uusapan natin experience the best teacher, but I keep on learning every day, and that's why our team is really competitive.
Boy, baka pwede na ma-answer. Sorry, Sir Dito.
Thank you. Same sinabi ni Brandon. Siyempre, hindi lang naman talaga si Junmar yung kailangan batayan. So, their team talaga sobrang very talented team. Alam niyo naman, with Junmar, he attacks a lot, di ba? So, it takes a lot sa amin. We have to play team defense. We don't need to play individual defense. Kasi if individual, mahirapan kami. If we play team defense, then we have a chance. So, that's it.